All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:52 in the morning of October 10th, 2022, and this is my pre-market strategy session. The title of the video today is "It Ought to Be a Quiet Day Until the Close," and really, it's because the bond market is closed today, and so it and after a big down day that we saw on Friday, I do expect to see some continuation. And actually, let me clean some of this up. The earnings season starts on the 14th of October, on Friday this week. And it looks to me like we're going to have, it's bearish, right? And here we are at the bottom of this latest leg down right here, right? And here, this red line right here is the neckline to a head and shoulders formation that occurred back here. Let's see. Here's the left shoulder, here's the head, and here's the right shoulder. And this neckline is going to be, generally speaking, the direction of the cues for the foreseeable future. And really, you can't see much more than about 6 months out on any market, really. So I'd expect this trend to continue for at least the next 6 months. Here we are, we're below this close that we put in on the 16th of June. And so we are making new lower lows as of last Friday. The market closed lower, but it hasn't closed lower than the September the 30th yet. I imagine if things sort of play out normally, let's see, I'm going to just kind of get rid of this stuff right here. These old levels might come back into play eventually, but not too soon. This level right here, let's see, 267.10 on the Qs. If we hit that today, it ought to be support. I think it would make sense to me for that to be support, and for another sort of more active day when there are going to be more traders and so forth, to be to start breaking down really below that. And I think it's probably going to hold this level, roughly this price level, until we start seeing earnings coming in. Going to be a pretty quiet day. I think at the open, of course, there's going to be, like it is at every open, there's going to be some gyration back and forth. For the rest of the day, it ought to be like, if it hits this level, it'll drift down to that level and come back up. Now, what's going to be important for today is the close. So when I comment on today's action, I'm not counting the last, I'd say, hour of the day. Certainly the last half hour of the day is going to be really important today. I don't think that I'm going to trade today. Probably just going to kind of take it easy. It's Columbus Day, or Indigenous Persons Day, however you view that, and or if you view it both ways, of course, it's possible too. It ought to be a pretty quiet day on the market. All right, everybody. Good luck out there. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the bell, and I will see you at tomorrow morning's strategy session. I am out.